Hey all, it's Liam from Killer Inc. And today I'm going to show you the Hawk Pen and disposable grips from Cheyenne. So let's take a closer look. First up is the Hawk Pen Grip, which as the name suggests is the perfect extension for your Cheyenne pen. Made from anodised aluminium, the Hawk Pen Grips are robust, ergonomic, lightweight and easy to clean and cover for hygiene purposes. These grips are compatible with all cartridges that feature a Cheyenne type connection. For example, the manufacturer's own safety and craft carts, which will allow you to swap between configurations quickly and easily. The Hawk Pen Grips will allow you to adjust the needle depth of your cartridges from 0 to 4mm when using your Cheyenne pen by simply turning the grip. The Cheyenne HAWK Pen Grips are available in two sizes, small and medium. The medium-sized grips have a diameter of 25mm and are great as a backup for several tattoo sessions during one day, so you can change them out when needed and not have to wait around for the autoclave to finish. On the other hand, the smaller, conical grip measures 21mm at its thinnest point and is particularly suited to those who prefer slimmer tattoo grips and blurs the boundaries between drawing and tattooing even more. Whichever size you choose, the Hawk Pen Grips are available in 6 colours: black, bronze, orange, purple, red and silver, and come with a 24-month warranty from Cheyenne. If you're looking for a disposable solution, then Cheyenne also offers 3 disposable grips, also known as D-Grips, that are perfect for use with your Hawk Pen, Solnova and Solnova Unlimited. The Cheyenne D-Grips guarantee ergonomic, comfortable and hygienic working and are available in a box of 6 in 3 different shapes and sizes: Ergo 1-inch, Ergo Round and Ergo Long, with the latter not suitable for use with sole tattoo machines. Thanks to the soft touch material, these disposable tattoo grips fit perfectly and comfortably in the hand. As with other Cheyenne grips, the D-Grips allow cartridges to be changed quickly, while you can also turn the grip to adjust needle depth steplessly and easily. Cheyenne's disposable grips come sterilised and individually packaged, so covering them while working is not necessary. Simply screw the grips over your barrier sleeve, like so. The Ergo 1-inch D-Grip is similar in proportions to the Cheyenne HAWK Pen Grip we showed you before, measuring in at 25mm in diameter, 35mm in length, and weighing just 17 grams. It is a great fit for Cheyenne's HAWK Pen, Solnova, and Solnova Unlimited machines. The Ergo Round D-Grip is also compatible with these 3 Cheyenne machines and has the same length as the 1-inch, but a wider diameter of 35mm. Although not compatible with Cheyenne Sol machines, the Ergo Long D-Grip is another great disposable option for the Hawk Pen. This grip has the same 35mm diameter as the Ergo Round, but a longer length of 53mm and weighs in at 30 grams. Manufactured in Germany according to medical standard, the Cheyenne HAWK Pen and disposable grips are all available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So what do you think of these Cheyenne grips? Which one will you be adding to your Hawk Pen? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.